我是陈老师. This Master Luke Chen, and this is the Tao Chinese. I wrote this book, and everything here, a clear remark is for for those people, adults who have problem learning just by listening. Now we use the mind to learn it. Okay, so now first of all, this chart we call basic syllables chart. Now it's very different from you see on the market. There's some people doing some chart like this, but however, we base on what? The first up there, 23 shengmu initials and 39 finals, 39. So it's complete. Now, of course, then you remember, that's how you memorize 23. You didn't memorize it because it's this one like multiplication table. If I ask you 5 times 5 equal to what? 25. Immediately you can say it. The same thing here. You can be able to point out anything. You can just multiply it, right? So more for. So you remember 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and then 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock. You can see that's how you memorize the shengmu, and then of course this one is yunmu, and then the finals. So you memorize the same way. Once you memorize it, so now here it is. It's much easier. So we said R. So we start with R. So multiplication table. So po a pa, po a pa, mo a ma, fo a fa, te a ta, te a ta, na a na, la a la, ke a ka, ke a ka, he a ha. 那是 ji a zha, ci a cha, si a sa, zhi a zha, shi a cha, and then shi a sha. Now, of course, this one is called basic syllables. We're not talking about the tones yet. So we basically did it shorter. So we are later we say the ba 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 ba. So there's 4 tones. But now in this basic, then you memorize the basic. Altogether, how many of those? It's about 403 basic. It's because it's logical. You can memorize it. You can able to do it. Once you memorize it, the rest is much easier. So this one is not cram memorizing. This is using logic, memorizing logic, and of course then later you can from here down here. So bo a ba, bo o bo, bo e be. So you can with the shengmu or the initials to start beginning first. So the same thing. So each way you can immediately can point out which one. Now, for example, ya. Okay. Now remember ya, ya. This is the independent syllable, and then ia is the yunmu. So only has the 3 of them. Jia, cha, sha, jia, cha, sha. So only 3 of them. So not every yunmu has combined with the initial or shengmu. So some of them is only 3. Understand? So it's much easier once you understand it. The rest is you just understand logic, and then memorize it, and then that's it. And then you repeat it. You listen to it. Now then you can follow. You can memorize. So instead of just immediately put it into swimming, put it in the ocean, and then you have to listen to people what they say. What they say? And everybody said you're not doing it right. But once you have these all the fundamentals, and then you start to train the fundamental, and then you can swim with the shark. Then you can talk to people, and they realize many of them, most of them, unless they are better training, most of them just speak whatever they used to, accustomed. That's why everybody can correct you, because each one think they are very standard. But in Chinese, Hanyu Pinyin only one way. So once you learn this and listen to the professional pronounce it, and then you start to mimicking it, listen to it, repeat it over and over again, and then you can speak with confidence. All right, so that is the reason I put this one together. Thank you so much. I love you from Zhongshan. Thank you.